For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The crucial black boxes of the Air India Express flight, which crashed resulting in the loss of 18 people, have been recovered from the crash site. The black boxes will be taken to Delhi along with a special team. An investigation into the matter will proceed immediately. The exact cause of the air crash will be known after analyzing data from the black boxes. Meanwhile, Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri visited the air crash spot.
There were 190 persons on board the aircraft. 149 people were admitted to different hospitals. 23 were discharged. And out of those admitted to hospital, they are being discharged as they receive treatment and once they are reassured that they don't require hospitalization.
Hardeep Singh Puri reviewed the ground situation and interacted with officials at Kozhikode. The minister confirmed that 190 were on board and several people were grievously injured.
We visited the site of the crash. The two black boxes have been found, and it is my understanding that the precise cause for the mishap and this tragic occurrence will be determined when we analyze the information and data on those black boxes.
Minister of State for External Affairs V. Muralidharan also visited the plane crash site in Kozhikode.
Visited the crash site at Calicut Airport. Officials of Air India India and Air Force Authority of India briefed on how the accident had occurred. The investigation is on to ascertain various aspects of the crash.
The minister also announced an interim relief of 10 lakh rupees for the kin of each of the deceased. 2 lakh rupees will be given for seriously injured and 50,000 rupees for those who suffered minor injuries. Meanwhile, Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan visited the Kozhikode Medical College. It is here the injured passengers are undergoing treatment. Meanwhile, Kerala Health Minister K.K. Shailaja said all those involved in rescue operations must undergo quarantine. All those who were involved in rescue operations at Kozhikode Airport should go into self-quarantine. State government to conduct COVID-19 tests of all. The Central Industrial Security Force directed its personnel to go into quarantine as a precautionary measure. At least 2 passengers of the Air India flight have tested positive for COVID-19. One of the deceased passengers also tested positive for the virus. However, the Kerala Chief Minister lauded the efforts of those involved in rescue operations since they lent a helping hand despite COVID-19 fears.